all I need. You're all I see when I close my eyes and dream. You're all I see. You're all I need, all I need, all I need.
Good morning. Wow. What a really peaceful sleep that was. Nice sound of the church bells now and then. But apart from that, not a sound. Waking up to the bird song. The sun is going to come out in a while, which is going to be nice. We will set off shortly for a little drive. A couple of places we want to see before we get into Durham and set up there. Off to the CL site at the Durham Rowing Club on the banks of the River Wear, so that should be nice. But as far as shoulder of mutton goes, outstanding. New day, nice brew, and let's see where we end up today then. High Force Waterfall. Why not? Lovely weather.
And beautiful scenery.
So, High Force Hotel. We've paid £3 for 3 hours car parking. And we've paid £3 each for a ticket to get to the falls. So now we're going to begin the walk to the High Force Waterfalls.
And it's the highest waterfall in England.
Highest waterfall in England. There you go. So car park over there. You can actually stay the night as well for 12 quid, 24 hours. Beautiful hotel, lovely bar,
Yeah,
good bit of
really
food.
nice.
Please pay at the kiosk. Done. Right, how long will it take? Hiya, got the tickets.
You got your tickets?
We have indeed.
Fantastic. Lovely. Have you been before?
No, we haven't.
Okay, so just follow the path down. It's 1/4 of a mile.
Okay.
When you get down to the waterfall, if you want to come back by the circular route through the wood, it's up to yourselves.
Okay.
Take the steps off to the right. It's quite steep.
Okay.
And you just come out by the white sign there on the right.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah, lovely. How long should it take?
So 1/4 of a mile, just depends how quick you walk.
Okay, lovely. Because I've got 3 hours parking, so I don't want to run out of that.
Oh, you'll be absolutely fine.
Fantastic.
Absolutely fine. You've got time for a coffee if you want to.
Oh, great. Yeah, that sounds
Do
good.
that as well.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Cheers.
Take that for the meatball.
Sun's coming out. Beautiful. Bit fresh.
It is. But
Light
nice.
breeze,
Nice
but
and
still
walking.
nice.
It's strange not having a little doggy first.
Yeah. Oh, can't do that. Yeah, no pooches. Bit different.
Having a sleepover.
Well, they wouldn't allow them in the restaurant we're going to later, so
No, that's true.
we wouldn't leave them in the van on their own. Right, let's see. Way, look out, he's drunk. So that one we saw earlier is low force that we drove past.
Yeah.
We're going to high force.
Yeah.
It said, yeah, did it say the highest waterfall in
Highest waterfall
England?
in England, it said, yeah. The highest waterfall in the UK is in Scotland.
So I think you can walk behind this one as well, I'm not sure.
Find out when we get there.
Yeah.
Nice trees.
It's a good footpath. That's what you're paying for, see?
Yeah. Yeah, that's what it says. Maintain footpath. Keep it clean.
You can hear the thunder,
Oh.
hear the roar. There it is. Wow, that is impressive from here. Yeah, that is good. Well, that's what, a 10-minute walk?
Yeah, not even that.
Yeah. That's the steps to go up the route back if you want to go through the forest bit. Oh well, there you go. We thought it was going to be a bit of a hike. 21-metre drop into a deep plunge pool. The layer of resistant rock is known as the wind sill. It was formed 295 million years ago from molten rock, which solidified underground between older layers of rock. The wind sill is now exposed at the surface after millions of years of erosion. Wow. There we go. So that's the wind sill there, look, the top part. This bit is the wind sill. Then you've got the sandstone, and the bottom part is limestone.
50 million years ago when North Pennines was at the equator.
Wow.